Okay, children. So next exercise problem number 3. Second one, you do as homework. Just I will explain. 3 metallic spheres of radii, 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 10 centimeters respectively, are melted together to form a single solid sphere. Here 3 metallic spheres are there. This radius is 6 and this one is 8 and next one is 10. Like these 3 spheres, these 3 they are melting and recasting into single solid sphere. So then we should find out the radius of resulting sphere. So what we have to do? So the volume of resulting sphere is equal to volume of sphere 1 plus volume of sphere 2 plus volume of sphere 3. Then you simplify, so you will get the second one. Next we'll see third one. So here third one. So what is given? A 20 meters deep well of diameter 7 meters is dug and the earth got by digging means tavadam, is evenly spread out to form a rectangular platform of base 22 meters and 14 meters. Find the height of the platform. See children here. So like 20 meters deep well means this is. So this length is 20 meters. It is like cylinder. So deep well of diameter 7. So after getting mud from this, so that what we are getting then after digging, that total mud they are making as platform. So that platform like cuboid. Like, so here 22 meters length, breadth 14 meters they given, we should find out height. So find the height of the platform, nothing but what we should find out? The height of the cuboid, that we should find out. So children here, right, the diameter of cylinder, how much? 7 meters. Then radius r is equal to 7 by 2 meters. Then height of cylinder, h is equals to 20 meters. So here what is next? Length of rectangle, cuboid. L is equal to 22 meters. Then breadth of cuboid 14 meters. So they are making this one to cuboid, cylinder to cuboid. So the volume of cuboid is equals to volume of cylinder. Then volume of cuboid LBH, volume of cylinder pi r square h. So L is 22 into breadth 14 into height. We are going to find out this 22 by 7 into r square value r. Radius how much? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Then height of cylinder how much given? 20. Right, so here 7 cancel, 2 ones are 2 11s are, 2 ones are 2 5s are, sorry 2 10s are. Right, now 22 into 14 into h is equals to 11 into next 7 into 10. So here these values also we have to transpose to the right side. So by 22 into 14, 7 2s are, 11 2s are. Right? So next 4, 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So height is equal to 5 by 2, nothing but 2.5 meters. So therefore, here we can write the height of cuboid h is equals to 2.5 meters. So this is, children, the first one, means the third one answer. Okay, so next fourth one. See, fourth one, just I am going to explain then what is there in the question. A well of diameter 14 meters, again they given like one well, diameter given how much? 14 meters, is dug 15 meters deep, means this height is 15 meters. Then the earth taken out of it has been spread evenly to form circular embankment. Circular embankment. So means then what they are taking mud from here, then that they are making like around the well, they are making like circular embankment. So this is like path already which we have studied in the 8th class areas. So here this is like path. We know that the path formula, area of path, okay, then pi into capital R square minus small r square. Capital R square means, see, first we have to find out what is the radius of inner circle, then next what is the radius of outer circle. So here given already, see, so this is from here to here. If your diameter is 14, radius is 7, means this is 14, then if you add 7, outer radius is 21 you will get. So here then what they are asking, find the width 7 meters given, embankment all around the wall of width 7 meters, find the height of the embankment. So this height we should find out how much. So children, here you have to take height h, means let the height of embankment h, or you can take n, h into area of path is equal to volume of cylinder. Then what we will get, children, here? So you will get like, see, h into pi into r square minus small r square, volume of cylinder pi r square h. all values you have. Right here, what is the wall of width? 7 meters. So here, this is 7. So from the wall, this is 7, first one. So then the radius is, first one is 14, then second one is 21 you take. So by using this formula, okay, you try it, then you will get answer. Then otherwise, we'll discuss later children, then we'll go for the next problem.